Hey everybody, I am coming to you from the snowy Atlanta. If you want to see what I've been working on in my sewing room this week, please stay tuned. Hello everyone, happy Friday. Haven't seen you guys since last year. Anywho, I hope everyone had a wonderful holiday season. I am really glad to well, I guess I'm glad to see you guys, but I can't see you. But I'm glad to have another video coming out. So I'm not sure how long it was, maybe 2-3 weeks ago. I was on the Fabric Mart website, and if you shop with Fabric Mart, you know that there is a I forget her name, but she has a pick of the day, and whatever that pick of, the price of the item is astronomically low. So this particular day, it was half price on the bundles. So I ordered a bundle, and we're going to see what I get. Now, I've ordered these bundles before, and this particular bundle, I might have ordered twice before, but my pickings were just not the best. And I really do love the craft bundles. I get pretty good, although the pieces are only 1 yard pieces, I get pretty good pieces. So I love to order those all the time. But this is just a, I think it's the apparel fabric bundle. It's the one that usually costs $20, and it was like $9.99 this particular day. So I ordered one, and we are going to see together. I haven't opened it, what I got. So let's take a look. All right, let's see. So this first fabric, I'm from Mobile, Alabama, so which is the home of Mardi Gras, where Mardi Gras originally started. So this gives me Mardi Gras vibes. I could actually see making something out of this, to be honest with you. It's for Mardi Gras. I don't know if I could do a poncho or something like that, but I'm not so sad about this. I could see this as a piece that I could use for Mardi Gras. And I'm going to tell you something else. I was also thinking about doing a Mardi Gras tree. That's probably something I'll do next year. But I could also see making this into a tree skirt if you do a Mardi Gras tree. Because, you know, there are people who do keep their tree up for all the holidays, and they just decorate it for the holidays. So you could easily make a tree skirt out of this. But this is a cotton material. Not too bad. I'm not too disappointed with this one. I can work with that one. Let's see what the next one is. Ooh. This is a lightweight knit. It has stretch. But here's the true color in here. I'm not too upset with this either. I don't know if they tell me how much I got. I think they maybe 5 2-yard pieces. I'm not sure, but I'm not too upset with this one. It's thin, but I could easily see making this into a shirt for spring or summer. So, okay, we got 2 so far. Let's see. Okay, not too bad. I could definitely make a skirt, possibly, let's see, 2 yards. I could possibly even make I don't know if I can get a pair of pants, but it's a nice weight, nice color. Could I make a shirt? I think I could. Probably wouldn't. This is a more heavier texture, but I don't know. They possibly could go together. Actually, yeah, because it's 2 different reds in here. I don't know if you can see it, but you have the darker and then a lighter one. And the darker one actually is the same color as this. So, okay, Pepper Mart, 3 out of 3. Got some rib knit, and it's a solid color. Yes, 2 yards. Yes, so I think all the pieces are 2-yard pieces. Okay, loving that. I don't know what I'm gonna make with this, but anything solid I love because you can always mix and match it with something else. Loving that. Let me see. Make sure I show you guys the fabric. It's a little sheer, but it is a rib knit. All right. Now we have a plaid. This feels like a polyester fabric. That's a knit. It has stretch to it. Oh, but it's actually cute. I don't know what I could see that as a blouse for the fall. A nice flowy blouse. All right, guys, we got 4 out of 4. I'm a little excited. It's really cute. I like the colors. All plaid doesn't resonate with me, but when it has the nice flowing colors, like I really like that. You could make a shirt and wear with a pair of jeans. So that's it. We got 5 fabrics, and I'm happy with all of them. Can you believe it? So we have the plaid. That's one. The rib knit. 2. And they kind of, at least they gave me colors that kind of coordinate together. Even though the fabrics don't, and I still probably won't use them together. We have the red, or it's not a really red. So that makes me like it even more. That's 3. We have the fabric for the top to the red. That's 4. Hopefully those 2 yards are enough to make a pair of pants. And 2 yards of this Mardi Gras fabric. Mardi Gras Aztec print fabric. So I had 5 fabrics, 2 yards each. So it's a 10-yard bundle. I think that's what it's called. And I like them, guys. I'm very happy with what I got. So that's all I have for you guys this week. I hope to get somewhere here very soon. Still a little busy for me right now, so I'm trying to get it in where I can. I miss my sewing machine dearly. But that's all I have for you this week. As always, guys, I want you to remember you are so special to me. Thank you so much for tuning into my video. And I will see you guys on the next video. Happy sewing and have a blessed week. Bye-bye.